Hi guys, welcome to IndusCore Tech, and in today's video I will show you how to set up the authentication on the Prosys server and how to connect then to a Node-Red client or a UA Expert client OPC UA. Okay, so as you can see here in objects, we have the same setup that we did in our last video. So the valve, the method, and the unit measurement. And now if we want to set up the authentication, we need to switch to expert mode. So here we have a lot of options, and what we need is to come to users, username. Here this window will permit us to create our new user. So I will just make something simple as admin, and for the mod pass it will be admin also to confirm it. So add user. So here we have our first user, and the thing that you must not forget to do is to take off this method of authentication, anonymous, and also this with certificate. We don't need it. So if you let this anonymous connection, it will permit to our clients to connect without using the username and password. And what we want in our case is to set up a good security. Okay, and after that we will come to endpoints. Here we will just take off sign and encrypt, sign, and also the security policies. I will show you in my next video how to encrypt our information, but for today's video I will just show you how to put the authentication. Okay, now I will put apply, and the thing that you need to know about Prosys, you need to reset the software so that all the change will be taken into account. Okay, so here we are again in our Prosys simulator, and you can see that it took all the change here and also here. So now what we need to do is to switch to our OPC UA client, UA Expert. So here I'm in my UA Expert client, and what I need to do is to add my server here. So I will just pass the URL. Okay, and here I have my server none, because I took off all the other aspect of connection. And if you can see, I cannot choose the anonymous connection. I need to put a username and a password so that I could connect to my server. So here it will be admin store, then admin, and here we are. So I will just to connect it. I will come here for tongue, valve. Okay, and here I have everything. 35, it's closed, and my unit measurement. Hey, hello guys, just don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, put in likes and comments below the video. Thank you. So here we are on Node-Red, and here we can find our OPC UA Red client and our OPC UA White client. If you want to see how we did this, you can check my last video about how to create an OPC UA client read and write. So I just took the same example, and here what we need to do is to come to the client. Then here I will just take off this one, and I will use the credential. Here you can see that I will save it, and you didn't need to change for the second one because it will take it automatically. Okay, will be the same thing. Admin, admin. Here, if I want to see my flow rate, my statue, and my unit measurement, I could also write onto my server if I want. You can see that I could do it, but if, for example, I want to change it and take off the authentication of my client, and then I will deploy my client. You can see, you can read this error, connection error, cannot find anonymous use token policy in the endpoint description. So I cannot connect to my OPC UA server because my server will not allow it. So the thing that you need to do, and here we go again. So thank you for following me. Don't forget to share, like, and comment my video. See you in my next video, and assalamu alaikum.